Yo, morning guys. All right, it is currently 4:30 a.m. I'm in 29 Palms, California, skating straight into the wilderness. We're aiming for near 100 miles today. We'll go into the Sheephole Valley Wilderness. I think in about like 20 miles or so, it'll just disappear, nothing. Yeah, it should just be a pretty straight shot today. We're on one road basically the whole day. So yeah, got to get some miles in though. Let me get going. A little chilly out here. Figure you guys want to hear about my legs after yesterday. Overall, pretty good. My feet, like the cramping and stuff went down. I'm like feeling good. You know, thighs a little bit, but mainly it's my calves. It feels like there's a rock in my right calf. Hey, starting to get a little lighter out. Look at that. Beautiful. I had surgery on my right knee, which is my dominant pushing leg. So 7 months ago I had surgery. So the second I got approved to skate, I went to California to rebuild my strength. Towards the last day of that trip, the end of February, I ran off my board, like I stepped wrong. I ended up re-tearing my meniscus right after surgery. But more importantly than that, because I could deal with that pain, is I had pes anserine tendinitis. I had adductor strain, probably like grade 2. It was like no joke building up to this. And, you know, I did my last trip with a torn meniscus, so I knew I could do it. It just is what it is. That's a chunky road. Beautiful sunrise today. Out in the wilderness. Silent. Oh. My sunscreen has turned to oil. All right. Wow. Look at this. Smooth pavement. Got some nice downhill. Nothing better than this. That's where I want to live, right there. Someone that lives like over here, I'm pretty sure, maybe even been them exactly. I did one live stream last time on like TikTok, like the only stream of the trip basically. And they saw me coming out and they brought out a bunch of food, like apples and oranges, and I was just like, how'd you get, like, I was just so blown away at that time. There's just something about the desert aesthetic. Like, what is going on in there? Oh, this is nice, man. This is amazing. This is the payoff for the hill. I do know this area, and it gets a little harder. The ground gets rougher, some ups and downs. Nothing crazy, but you know, when it gets so hot. Whoosh, we're gonna fry today. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is amazing. just forever. And that's the end of the glorious, perfectly smooth ground. That was a good run while we had it. Back to reality. This will probably be like this for the next 70 miles. Hey, another hill, hell yeah. That's what's up. I've been dying for another hill. Beautiful views. Props to whoever made that rock pile. That is a nice rock pile. Great rock pile.
It's looking good. Audio sounds good. We've got the stream going.
Sounded good until I just poured electrolyte water in it. I think I gotta do the shorts, dude. It's getting hot, man. I've never shown these.
I don't even have my sunglasses on right now.
Bro, look at, want to see the difference here? Look at this. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, but look at those calf muscles.
Come on, look at these shorts, man. This may be the only time you ever see this. So. It's insane. This wind is unfortunate because I wanted to like make up miles today.
That is not like a little baby push. He's pushing hard. What are we looking at?
Starting to get a little,
Oh, I see it.
a little bit. Still early though.
I'll see how it is at the end of the day.
You inspired me. I did a 50-miler because of you. Yeah. Well, when you first did that other one, I was like, no way, people can't escape from that. I had to go prove myself. And I did. Yeah, awesome. I know you're gonna do it, man. Yeah, that's who you are. Yeah, you're a legend. Yeah. The paint's melting off the front of the car. That's insane.
The what?
Looks like the paint melting off the front of the car or something.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Look at it.
Dude, that is gnarly.
Hold on.
It's that hot.
if this ground was good, we would be flying right now.
Look at that, y'all. Wow.
I wanted to keep going. I don't think it's a smart idea. I'm getting really just dry. Part of me is like thinking I'm like making an excuse to end the day. And the other part of me is like half the country is basically flat. So you may not have these same struggles, but who knows if it rains or you run into something else another day, you know? I think we're at 82.20. I'll take it. Still higher than my previous high before this trip. Through basically the entire wilderness, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna check out, try to feel good for tomorrow. I'll get here early and get ahead of tomorrow. So I'm in a fever dream. I'm in the desert hallucinating. And yeah, I'm falling apart, so I should probably end the stream now. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning.